Two Xiaomi powerhouses face off, POCO X6 Pro or Redmi Note 13 Pro. Which one should you buy in 2025? Let's find out. Here's the quick rundown. POCO X6 Pro packs a Dimensity 9300 plus chip, 120Hz AMOLED, 5100 mAh battery, and 67W fast charging. Redmi Note 13 Pro features a Snapdragon 6850, 120Hz AMOLED, 5000 mAh battery, and the same fast charge speed. Design-wise, POCO X6 Pro rocks a bold glossy plastic back. Redmi Note 13 Pro feels more premium with glass and metal. Want luxury? Redmi wins. Both have stunning AMOLED screens at 120Hz. Redmi's slightly curved edges add immersion. POCO keeps it flat and practical. POCO's Dimensity 9300 plus delivers raw power, perfect for heavy gaming and multitasking. Redmi's Snapdragon 6850 handles daily tasks well but lags behind in gaming. Cameras? Redmi's 200MP shooter takes insanely detailed daylight photos. POCO's 64MP camera is good but can't compete in detail or low light. Battery. POCO has a slight edge with 5100 mAh versus 5000 mAh, but both charge fast at 67W. Software? POCO runs cleaner HyperOS, close to stock Android. Redmi sticks with MIUI, packed with features but some bloat. So want power and battery life? Go POCO X6 Pro. Crave camera and premium feel? Redmi Note 13 Pro is your pick. Which phone will you pick? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews every week.